Hey folks, welcome back to Ketchup to Caviar, and welcome back to Charlie's Place here in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut. Today, we have a fantastic dish I think you're going to love. It's a banging steak dish. So today we're going to do a fantastic dish. It's going to be a char-grilled flat iron steak with garlic whipped potatoes, mushroom and shallot pan gravy with red wine. It's going to have roasted carrots and, of course, baby asparagus spears. I think you're going to love it. Let's get going. So we're going to start off with some black pepper on here. Coarse black pepper. Don't be afraid of it. Salt. And just a little bit of oil. I'm going to go right over to the grill. As you can tell, this grill is fire hot right now. It's probably about 560 degrees. And put it right on top of that flame. This is going to cook now here on this side without me turning it for probably about 3 or 4 minutes. I might turn that flame down just a little bit, but right now I'm trying to get a hard char on that. While that's doing that, I'm going to get the mushrooms and the shallots going for the pan gravy. Going to cut these in quarters. Try to keep them wedged. Looks a little better than sliced. A little more rustic. Doesn't look like they came out of a can, that is. Should be enough right here for the one dish that we're doing. The shallots, get these nice fine minced. All right. I got another pan and this grill over here cranking too. So we're doing all of our work right off the grill here. It's been about 2 minutes now. I'm going to mark this steak. I'm just going to turn it. So now I'm just marking, hoping to get some nice diamond grill marks on that. These pans right now have been on the grill now for about 5 minutes. They're very, very hot. So I'm going to put a little oil in each one of them. And I'm going to start my pan sauce and my vegetables. I'm going to put my mushrooms and my shallots. You can hear that sizzle, that you know you're doing the right thing. Your pan should be sizzling at all times. Now, when you look at the steak now, you can see that it's starting to curl up a little bit. I know it's been on that side now for about 4.5, 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn it. You can see everything has adhered to the steak, the salt, the pepper, all the seasonings that I put on it. That's a fantastic char right there. So now in this back pan, I've got some oil in that. I'm going to put my vegetables in there. So I've got my baby asparagus. I've got my carrots that have already been blanched. And you can tell a little rustic cut. I'm going to put them right in here. Hear the sizzle platter? You can hear that sizzling? It's exactly what we're looking for, people. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on that also. All right, so now I'm going to give this pan that has my mushrooms and my shallots in it just a little bit of a toss so I can make sure that everything is cooking properly. Same thing with my asparagus. I want to make sure I get some good color on those asparagus and the carrots. Right now, this steak is probably rare. It's only been on the grill now for less than 5-6 minutes. It's still rare right now. So I'm going to let that go for probably another 2 or 3 minutes, and then it's going to carry over cooking in the oven with the rest of the vegetables. All right, folks, so right now I'm going to take this steak off, put it onto the sizzle platter. So now we're going to take the baby asparagus and these rustic cut carrots, put them right in the sizzle platter with the steak. And in the oven they go for the remainder of the cooking period, which is probably going to be about 3 minutes. In the oven it goes. Put a little timer on that for about 3 minutes, just so I don't forget, which I know I won't. Right now I've got to finish off the pan sauce with the mushrooms and the shallots. I'm going to take my red wine. I'm going to deglaze my pan right here with the mushrooms and the shallots in it. Let that cook down for probably about 1.5 minutes until that red wine is reduced by half. And the mushrooms and the shallots have softened up and taken on that red wine flavor. I'm going to put a little black pepper in here. Let that cook down for another 30 seconds or so. At this point, I'm going to cook my mashed potatoes in the same pan here. So now I'm going to take this, stick a little bit of butter. I'm going to stick in this pan over here. It's going to be ready for our mashed potatoes to be cooking off. Once that's almost halfway dissolved, I'm going to add my mashed potatoes, whip them up to order. This pan has already have its melted butter in here. And we're just going to let that cook down for about 30 seconds. All right, guys, now we're going to be adding our demi-glace, which is a veal glace, to our mushrooms and shallots. This is one of the best sauces you're going to have in a long time, people. Very savory. Takes many, many hours to make. As you can tell right now, these potatoes are looking very hot. Smash that roast garlic in there. All right, guys, now I'm going to pull that steak and the vegetables out of the oven. All right, guys, this looks fantastic. Could not look any better. Let's get ready for the plating. All right, put that over here. Now we're going to go to this beautiful steak. Now, normally, we like to let this rest for a few minutes. Since it's the magic of TV, we're going to give this a little slice ahead of time. Okay? Are you ready, people? Nothing but the best here at Charlie's Place in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut, guys. Now we're going to be going to our roasted baby asparagus spears and carrots. Like I said, guys, freshest ingredients here at Charlie's Place. Tough, tough to beat. Now for our mushroom pan gravy, right over the top. This is a char grilled flat iron steak with garlic cream potatoes, roasted baby carrots and potatoes, and a wild mushroom, shallot, red wine pan gravy. Thanks again for checking us out here at Charlie's Place and Ketchup the Caviar. Please come check us out.